guys, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you're watching me, and in today's video I am here with an amazing footwear haul video, footwear and bags haul video. So I love this amazing brand called Jiha. So it's an Instagram store. तो आज मैं Jiha haul करने वाली हूँ. I've gotten my hands on some amazing pair of footwears which are so stunning, and yet they are so reasonable. And plus I have also gotten my hands on their handbags, which also I'm going to show you all. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. I'm absolutely in love with all the pieces that I got, and yeah, I'm super excited and I'm so ready for the festive season coming ahead. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. These are the pieces that I got from this brand. I will give all the links below in the description box. So I hope you guys are gonna absolutely love shopping from there. So since you guys have already seen the handbags, let me show you all in details and then we'll move along to the footwear. So guys, let's start with this one. Can you look at this bag? Oh my god, the color, the blush color that it has on itself, and the chain detailing. Oh my god guys, I love this, and it will go up so well with all the outfits. Just look at how it matches my today's outfit, as you can see, and I'm so prepped for this video, can you tell? Anyway, this is the bag. So this is how the bag looks, and the chain, the handle has got a chunky chain detailing in golden, which looks very chic, and the color of this bag is so pretty. It's a blush color, and ये bag काफ़ी बड़ा भी है. It is so stylish yet so handy and so useful, because it will you can carry a lot of things, and the best part is it also has a sling attached to it. Like you can attach it if you want, and yeah, it's got a one big compartment. And yeah, this is how the bag looks. It will go well with western outfits, with Indian outfits, with pastel outfits, black outfits, and yeah, it's a very versatile piece, as you can see. Moving on to the next bag is this beautiful bag from Jiha, and look at how stunning and stylish and classy this lady right here looks. Like this is full on bagwati material, क्योंकि ये इतना bougie and classy है. Just look at the quality, and the best part is that it also has a sling with it, so you can just attach it whenever you want over here like this, and you can attach the string like this, and like you can carry it like a sling bag like this. And yeah, I just love how this bag looks guys. मतलब ये आप versatile भी है, क्योंकि आप इसको as a handbag भी use कर सकते हो, as a sling bag भी use कर सकते हो. So I absolutely love how it looks on me. So this is the close-up for you guys to see the quality of this bag. It's a super high premium quality bag, and it looks that way as well. And the detailing, and इसका एक बड़ा सा अंदर में compartment है. It has also gotten a chain on one side and 2 more extra pockets on the other side. So it's so perfect for if you're going on trips also. So you can carry like a lot of things inside. And yeah, this is how the bag looks. The color is so beautiful. फॉर्मल के लिए भी अमेजिंग है, इनफॉर्मल, सेमी फॉर्मल्स, anywhere you can carry it around. So yeah, this is the second piece that I got, and I'm absolutely in love. So yeah, also all the prices will be mentioned in the screen, and plus आपको इनका links description में मिल जाए. The first shoe that I actually have gotten 3 footwear, and all of them are of different styles, completely different styles. So I am super excited to show you all. So the first pair that I have over here is this one. Can you see it, how good this one looks? So guys, firstly it's tan, and tan will go with probably all the outfits in the world. And look at the cute detailing. It's got a knot on one side and a string on the other side, and the material and the quality is also absolutely very premium. The sole of this footwear, you can see, is like a cushion. It's so comfortable on your feet. And guys, if you got a broad feet, you should size up for the brand, which the brand already tells you to do. And yeah, this is how it looks on my feet. I absolutely love and cannot wait to style it in with so many different outfits. Then guys, moving on to the second pair I have over here is, drum rolls please. This is probably my most desired pair of footwear I have ever gotten. Like, so pretty. Guys, I don't think y'all are understanding. Guys, can you look at them? Oh my god. These, oh god, even he loves these shoes. Like, seriously, yes. So, these are like a dream. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. Can you look at my face? Can you look at my expression? Yes, guys, I own them. Yes, I cannot believe I own them. And when I tell you the price on them, oh my god, your head's gonna explode because they are so reasonable. Like, can you believe the price? No, right? Even I couldn't. I absolutely love them. So yeah, these are the second pair of flats that I got. And yeah, of course I'm gonna wear it. And it's got a long tie up. Yeah, guys. Oh my god. Who am I anymore? So yeah, these, I'm gonna pair this up with millions of outfits. These are gonna, it's like Monica. Like when she got her boots.
Very practical. So you can wear them with dresses, with skirts, with pants.
Yeah, so I absolutely love them. Yes, I own them. So this is how the footwear looks on my feet. It's such a statement footwear. You can pair it up with any outfit and people will only look at your legs because they will look so damn beautiful. And yeah, I absolutely love the quality, and it's a very like a luxury piece almost. And this is how it looks on me. I'm giving you all an idea of how this will look on you. So yeah, that is the second pair of footwear that I got from them. And now guys, let's move on to the showstopper of this video. I think guys, you'll need a band. I need a band over here to play something before I unbox, like open this in front of you all, because guys, you are going to die. Straight away die. Let's do the unboxing of these absolutely stunning shoes coming your way, guys. So I got this cute note from Jiha. I think I'm a bit late to open this क्योंकि मैं ये last खोल रही हूँ. And yeah, they have their spring summer 22 collection, and also they have given a double-sided tape because apparently you will need this for the shoes. So now guys, on the count of 3, 2, 1. Wow! So this is absolutely a dream. It looks pristine. It's like a white pristine pair of footwear, and the stones, the rhinestones on it are shining like diamonds. It's like diamond on your feet, guys, and it is so beautiful and so easy to wear. Also look at the heel of it. The sole is so comfortable. It's such a high heel but so comfy at the same time. Perfect dress to wear these shoes, by the way. What are this? And now if you hear the price, yes guys, can you believe it? What are you waiting for? Just go to the description box now, shop these shoes and come back again to see me wearing them. So this is how this pair of footwear looks on my feet. I absolutely love it, and yeah, the stones look so beautiful. This is how the heel looks from the sideways. This is the look, as you can see, and I'm also giving a full look of me wearing these footwear because to give you all an idea basically of how this will look on your feet. If 2022 had a Cinderella, this would be the perfect heel for her. So yeah, and like this spiral thing, like, oh my god. And guys, with these prices, if you want extra discount, don't worry, I'm here. You can absolutely use this coupon code, which is Ankana10, to avail a 10% off on your purchase. And yeah, I'm sure you guys are gonna love their store, and they have some amazing collection. So please rush before it gets sold out. The links to these products will be given in the description box. So guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and comment down below which one was your favorite, and please do not forget to check the description box out for all the given links. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys super soon in my very next video, which is also gonna be an amazing video. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. So bye, see you super soon in my very next video. Bye guys.